Hello everyone and welcome back to another Minecraft showcase video. I have a question for you. Have you ever wanted to play the Hermitcraft game of tag made by Grian with your friends? Well, if you have, this video is for you because I have a data pack that adds some wonderful features to your server for automating the process of playing the tag game and identifying who the tagged player is as well. So it was on the Hermitcraft server that Grian conceived of this game, and on there it involved having a book of rules and a tag to throw at the player. It has then led to lots of tagging, confusion about the rules, and most importantly fantastic shenanigans that the viewers can't get enough of. And now you can join in the fun too on your own servers with this data pack, which makes things easier to understand with built-in gameplay mechanics. The game of tag is a rather simple one to understand. Someone on your server will be it, and the last thing anyone wants to be is of course it. So in their inventory they will have a name tag, and they must use this name tag to tag another player and pass on the it. So you'll be sneaking up to another player on your server, slapping them with a name tag, and that'll pass on the it status to a different player. Now the data pack we put together is slightly different from the Hermitcraft server and the way things work there. That's to make it friendlier for communities, and so let me first of all explain some of these differences. First of all, the tagged player will have a red name, so when they're playing on the server, in your tab screen or above the player's head, their name will appear as red. When the tagged player goes to tag another unsuspecting player on the server, once they are slapped with the tag, it'll automatically be moved from the tagger's inventory to the newly tagged player, and also the name colours will change as well, as the data pack will automate the passing on of the tag. A message will then be relayed in chat for the whole server to know who the tag has passed from to, and this is also optional, so it can be turned off if you desire. If you have our AFK data pack installed on your server as well, this is a data pack that changes the colour of the name of a player that hasn't moved in a while, it will prevent them from being tagged. So with our AFK data pack, it means you can't tag a player who is AFK, which is part of the rules on Hermitcraft. The data pack also keeps tracks of all of the tags inside of a scoreboard, so you can look at it and see which players have been tagged the most. So there are a few things you need to know about using this data pack. When you first set it up in your world, no one will be tagged, so there is a function that you can run that is tag become tagger, and this will turn me, the person who runs the function, into the tagged player. And if you want to make a different player tagged, then you run execute as the targeted player, run function tag become tagger, and it will make that player it. You may also notice when you run this command that it automatically removes the tag from that player's inventory. There is also a trigger for removing the tag messages from chat, so when we run this, you'll see tag messages have been toggled off. When I tag someone, there is no message in chat to display it. So when you want to display the scoreboard, you use scoreboard objectives set display, then you target where you want this to be visible, and the name of the scoreboard is TG times tagged, and that's going to put it below the player's name. And last of all, there is a bug in this game, or maybe it's a feature, but it's very convenient because if a player has a full inventory and they are tagged, the tag will drop on the ground, but the only player that can pick it back up is that player that had the full inventory. No other players will be able to pick it up, which is kind of convenient. So if you want to download and use this data pack, you'll need to head over to my official website, xisumavoid.com. On the left hand side of the screen there is vanilla tweaks, and as you scroll down you'll see this one right here, the game of tag. That's the one that you want to download, so you click on that and you save this to your hard drive. Now the place that you would want to put it is in the data packs folder of a world, but obviously you're going to be playing this on a server, right? So inside of a server you need to find the same folder as this one. We're looking inside the world, you'll see similar files to this, and the data packs folder is where you would save that file to, and then on the server you can type /reload and it will be ready to go. And that brings us to the end of the video, and I have a question for you. So go down to the comments below and let me know if you have any ideas what else could be added into this data pack to make the game of tag even more interesting. I'd love to hear some of your ideas, and maybe we'll add some custom features. But that's it from me this video for now. Looking forward to hearing your feedback, and if you enjoyed the video then leave a like. As always, thank you for doing that. It helps support the channel. Your support of course is appreciated, and I'll see you soon with another Minecraft video. Bye bye.